All right, guys. Today we're gonna be looking at Bank of America, BAC. All right, off rip. I already see a channel, so first thing I'm gonna do is get that channel, pair that channel. We're on the weekly time frame. I don't give a fuck about killing me already. Button K. Got a brand new bitch. Some brand new friends. Got a brand new bag. That's a brand new Benz. Got a brand new coupe. That's a brand new Benz. Got a brand new watch. All right, I got 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 4 tap, 5 tap, 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 4 tap. We got the candle closed above. 5, 6. All right, so I fuck with these. These are all valid for the channel. It's on the weekly, so más o menos. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm gonna be looking for the supply sides. Off rip. It's super simple. Where are you gonna see the first supply side? Right here. We'll go ahead and get the rectangle. Come here, bitch. Alright. Okay, so I see here. Candle close. Candle open here. Candle open here. Yeah, candle close here as well. First, let me just draw this horizontal line. Zoom out a bit. Okay, so we got all this. Alright, so where's that real supply at? I'm gonna draw my rectangle from the open of this, which was 34.24. It's the high of that candle there. All this supply. Yeah, look at that top wick there. Where is that? 34.69. Let's go over here and see how it looks right here. These two candles. By the way, these are weekly once again. 34.69, 34.73. And we've got to close at 34.71. So all within that range, a few cents. Yeah, like this is a supply side for sure. Alright, I see hella demand right here. So we're gonna first target the downside as I can see so far. Got lows of 30.45, lows of 30.48. Lows of 30.45. I like the 30.45. I'm gonna do the 30.45. Oh shit, sorry. I like to this wick here. Why? Because look at the wick bottom right here with the lows of 30.78. And we gotta open 30.92. So it's a few cents away from there. We got the open here of 30.80. Yeah, so this is all in a few cents. I like this region. What's the low here? Low oh shit, sorry. Drawing another rectangle. 30.86. Alright, so all within a few cents. I'll make this all demand area right here. Let's go ahead and make it green inside. We're gonna go ahead and extend this to the end of this channel because we could easily come down and bounce right here, you know what I mean? Play around, and then once this breaks below, then get dropped there. Okay. Next, where do I see demand next? This whole region is demand on the weekly.
Got low here, got low here, low here, low here, low there. Do that open. That open right there. I mean close. 33.17. Más o menos. Alright, so just on the weekly, we got all this being supply side. And we also have the RSI. Like, once we get the overbought region, especially within this channel, like overbought, push down. Overbought, push down. Overbought, push down. We're overbought right now, and we're starting to curl downward. And right here is the last demand zone right now. I have a level on my Thinkorswim, so I'm gonna cheat and pull it up. Because it's a good level I've had for a few months, so I'm just gonna pull it up and show you how it correlates to the chart. $33.59. That's the level. Alright, so this is my level that it was pretty much my flip level. Once we broke below this, like I was going to take my shorts. And if you look on how we ended the day today, I believe we closed right below. I believe we closed right below. Let me see. Oh, we closed right at it, 33.60. So 30.59 closed right at it. I'm in shorts currently. I'm going to add on to my position once we break below this demand region right here, because I will go for this gap fill. Well, I'm going for that gap fill already. I'll show you my entry right here. I entered yesterday when we broke below and we were rejecting there. I just started my position there. My stop loss will be if the daily highs of yesterday. 2 days ago, sorry. This is PT1 right here, but this is my general price target. Oh shit. I think I have a level 2 on my Thinkorswim that was right there anyway, so it just gave me that confluence. Yeah, I do 31.43. Piece of cabbage. I'm gonna have 2967. It's around here. I'm just gonna set my levels, show you guys what I have. 3287. Where's that? 3287. We're lagging right now. Why are we lagging? Let me close some stuff. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I did that. I'm tripping. That's W sub, so I gotta change the color of this. Switching lanes and I'm seeing lights. You know, I watch for cars, smoking weed. You know, I'm getting high. You know, they calm my nerves. This is a WR2S. Resistance turns to support. We'll go ahead and put the orange level on that one. Then right there, that's resistance, that's red. 2967, what are you? W sub 2. Go ahead and do that green. Pull up, hop out at the after party. All they get naughty. Let it Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the Yeah, 3143 is my, like, that's my biggest W sub, my weekly support right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually bold that one. I want this one to be bold. So in all honesty, my PT should be there. On my thingirsome, I have my PT to there, so I'm gonna put my PT to there. My PT1 is gonna be this gap fill. My PT1, so I'm just gonna do a small thing here. Horizontal ray, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna darken it. Settings, name, PT1. This shit's moving mad slow right now, bro. I don't know why. I think the music just ended. Hold on. Yeah, tunes just ended. Know what that means. Better not be no freaking ads that come up on this thing, 'cause I'm gonna skip this shit anyway. Name, come on. Vamos pues. There we go. PT1. Listo pues. 1 pixel, make it thin, you know, make it small. There we go. That's the PT1 right there. PT2 is obviously gonna be right there. I gotta go to a little bit higher though. Oh, I'm still drawing rays. Idiot. Always do that shit. Vamos pues. There we go. Okay. Well, obviously I drew a bunch of those. There we go. There we go. Okay. That's my PT1 right there. I'm in swing contracts. I will tell you that they are for the beginning of February. They are contracts. you can go ahead and look at February early contracts and look at open interest for at the money and the money calls. At the money and the money puts. Sorry about that. Like I said, my stop loss on those puts are going to be if we break back above the high from 2 days ago, like not today, yesterday. Because of that, if that happens, I'll just wait till we come back up to the supply side, try to retest that one more time, and then I'll enter from there once more. And then if that obviously broke above here, I'd get out of there. Oh, there we go. We have an ad. Yo, this is mad laggy. I'm gonna refresh. Internet's being mad booty right now. What's going on? It's probably because of the stream, though. I think it's because of the stream. Yeah, it's not refreshing when I hit refresh. Sorry, guys. No more tunes for right now. Sorry to tell you. So, you can even tunes off. It's still moving mad slow. Look at this. This shit just froze, guys. Oh man, I don't know. The internet's being really bad right now. Internet's being really, really, really bad. Oh, I just noticed that when I was talking about the RSI, you guys can't see it in the stream, but you can see the top. So you can understand what I'm saying when it's curling back down. Like, look, every time we've gone to around here, we start to curl down, right? And we at least come down to the bottom of RSI where we're pretty oversold, right? So, like, look at that. Boom. Got a peak here. Got a peak here. We start dumping. We damn near dumped all the way to the bottom of the channel. We even got to a little bit above midway RSI, and look at that. As soon as we start coming down, we came back down to the bottom. Overbought the most right here where we were recently, and look, very clean. If we go ahead and measure, let's measure these decreases or these dumps from peaks. So we have 25% on this one. We have around, hold on, I can't see it. Fuck. Sorry, guys. We have 25% on this one. Pretty consistent, no? 25% here from last. Well, let's go peak to bottom. All right, peak to bottom. We got 14% dip. Okay. Let's go peak to bottom again. Peak to bottom. Was right here. What was this candle? Sorry, guys. 7%. Okay, peak to bottom. And then it went really oversold. And it dumped crazily down 25%. So right now, from where we are at, let's go peak. Should at least come down to here. Definitely at least to here, 7%. That seems very likely. I think it's very likely, personally. That's why I'm in them. Very low risk trade, personally, for me, because swings, like I said, I have very tight stop loss. I know exactly where I'm going to get out, where my position is invalid. So, yeah, that's my analysis on BAC and how I'm trading it for the next few weeks. I like to trade a lot. I go to 3 hour. I thought I pressed 4 hour. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum. All right. All right, now that we're in the 4 hour, we can see a little bit of a different type of pattern, right? What could you obviously see here? You see there's some type of flag setting up. What kind of flag? I don't know. Could be a bull flag, could be a bear flag. Why? Because it doesn't have that like that normal bull flag pennant structure, right? It has this more of a channel structure right here. That's why I said I have my stop loss here, because we can come right back up to try to retest this area, right? Now, either way, we're going to get this flagpole movement. To what side? Be my guest to guess. I don't know. So how do you like, this is how I learned, right? So I was gonna ask you, how do you figure out, like, this is a question I want to see if you have the answer to. How do you find out how much your estimated move is? You know what I mean? How I do that is I make one of these lines, which is the flagpole, and then I'm gonna clone it, and then for both sides, usually it's from the breakout. So it would be like if we broke out, we'd break out from like right here. I think personally. Why isn't it going? There we go. Okay, so it looks something like that, right? We're breaking out above the highs. That's the breakout for me. Now, again, to the downside, because that's the way I see it. This pattern here, I've been very iffy about like what it is. Why? Because it'll set up like this, and whichever way momentum pushes is the way that we go. It breaks out to the upside, breaks down to the downside. Depends on market conditions, you know what I mean? It's not always the same. And for this one, I like to do the top, like just the top down, and that's right to my PT right here. And if you wanted to do the breakdown would be below here, right here, where it's already breaking down personally for me. You get into about here, like this whole demand region. So I think it's a valid trade. And like I said, the upside's there as well. So like if we break out, we're breaking out, you know what I mean? So have open mind when you're trading, you know, you don't want to always be like set on something, but it seems pretty valid, the setup. On the 4 hour, we're at mid RSI.